Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 welding machines. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Andeli TIG 250 MPL. Specifications. Brand name, Andeli. Is smart device? No. Usage, welding material. Voltage, 220V. Dimensions, 485 by 275 by 370 millimeters. Pilot arc current, 5 to 250. Pulse frequency, 50-60 Hz. Model number, TIG 250 MPL. Certification, CE. Origin, mainland China. Item number 4 is Hitbox semi-automatic welding machine. Specifications. Brand name, Hitbox. Plug type, EU plug. Is smart device? No. Usage, MIG arc TIG welding. Weight, 16.5 kilograms. Dimensions, 425 by 183 by 290 millimeters. Wire feeding speed, automatically. Model number, SYN MIG 200 Pro. Certification, CE. Origin, mainland China. Arc welding function, iron welding. As the item number 3, we've selected Svogen 2-in-1 HVM 200. Specifications. Brand name, Svogen. Usage, MIG arc welding. Weight, 6.1. Dimensions, 33.5 by 22 by 22.5 centimeters. Wire feeding speed, automatically. Model number, HVM 200. Certification, CE. Origin, mainland China. Welding material, stainless steel, iron steel. No load voltage, V50V. Item number 2 is Hitbox 3-in-1 HBM 200. Specifications. Brand name, Hitbox. Usage, gas/no gas welding. Wire feeding speed, automatically. Model number, HBM 200. Origin, mainland China. Rated input current, 22A. Rated power capacity, 5.1 kVA. Recommended fuse capacity, 40A. Voltage, 110V, 220V. Weight, 6 kilograms. Dimensions, 33.5 by 22 by 22.5 centimeters. Certification, CE. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Svogen non-gas semi-automatic welding machine MIG 145. Specifications. Brand name, Svogen. Usage, MIG welding. Weight, 6.5 kilograms. Dimensions, 420 mm x 24 mm x 28 mm. Wire feeding speed, 3-18 m/min. Model number, MIG 145. MIG welder frequency, 50-60 Hz. MIG welding machine output current, 30-130A. Certification, CE. Origin, mainland China.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.